Hi, life of Chuck.
Well, my friends, we're back in the van. How about that? We're back in the van. Not permanently. What I wanted to do, I wanted to come and do some work on the van this week. Something I haven't done for the last 4 or 5 weeks or so. And you know what? It was as hot as freaking hell the past couple days. Yesterday was 25 degrees Celsius, which is about 82, 83 degrees Fahrenheit. And we haven't been this hot this year, so not used to it. I haven't climatized myself to any of this heat, so it's been pretty freaking warm, and I just didn't want to come. And the van was even freaking hotter inside. It was probably 90 something. Actually, hold on, let's see. Let's see, you get to see my ugly face. So the high was, wow, it was 36 degrees at its highest, which is, 36 is, at its hottest, 98. Wow, look at that. So it was pretty freaking high. I'm going to reset this, actually, and see what it gets this week. How do you reset? And the other problem is it's supposed to be hotter this weekend. It's supposed to get another 5, 6, 7 degrees hotter. They're talking 28, 29 Celsius, which is 90 something again. So too hot to work in the van. But next week they're calling for it to cool back down and to get some rain. So I think that might be a better time to work on this old girl. A lot of small things to do. I won't point it out. So I have been out of the van for 5 weeks now, and man, yeah, it's just a disorganized mess because I took everything out, left everything like laying everywhere. Look at this. See, I got clothes, my food packages. I left the door open on the fridge to air it out, and I need to clean it out. I'm going to put the heater in storage. I don't think we're going to need it at this point. If we go camping somewhere, eventually when coronavirus lockdown lets up, when we go camping somewhere, I don't think we'll need it because it's pretty warm. Other than that, yeah, 5 weeks out of the van, it feels kind of weird coming into it. Do I miss it? Yeah, I miss moving around and seeing different things. However, you know what? Man, taking a break from van life is one of the best things I've probably done in the past 4 years. And I'm going to enjoy this house time for a short time. And I'm sure I'm going to get bored of it and sick of it. Nothing I haven't said in videos already. And for now, this year, all we'll be doing is going camping around this area, around Vancouver, maybe Vancouver Island, when things ease up on the coronavirus. What else do I have to say? Oh, they did ask. It's been so freaking busy at work lately. Unbelievable. I guess it's been crazy. I won't get into details, but you know what? I kind of wish I didn't have to be an essential worker. I would love to have this time off to collect the unemployment insurance or the government payout that they're awarding people. You know what? I'm working my freaking ass off. 4 nights a week. I know I'm not working 5 days. 4 days is my limit. That's even enough. Look at me. I'm worn out. I look tired, beat as hell. And they asked me to work this weekend, and it's like, oh my God, I don't really have the energy to do 5 graveyard shifts. It's just really, really draining. And if it wasn't for coronavirus and more jobs available right now, I would quit and look for something else. But you know what? I'm going to have to keep this probably for this year. So that's a little bit disappointing. So coronavirus is affecting all of us in a lot of different ways. Anyhow, I'm doing blah, blah, blah again. So I don't know where we're going to go with the rest of the video. So I'll end it for now.
I've been letting opportunities pass me by ever since I was a kid.
Hey, kid, get in my van and I'll give you some candy.
No, my mom says I shouldn't.
The light is shining on me. How about that? Look at that. Ooh, that's custom right there. Trick photography, trick videoing right there. Anyhow, week number 5. We're getting past 1 month living in a van. Living in a van, oh my God. Living in a condo. And Look at the food. Oh my god. She's been going crazy. Look at, she baked all this crap. Bread, buns, food. I'm gonna get fat. See what happens when you're don't have nothing to do and you're off work and because of coronavirus or anything else and you have nothing to do. Korean girl just stays at home and cooks like crazy, and it's way too much food. So condo life, it's got to be pretty good then, right? But you know what, I need a haircut. My hair's going curly. That's the only drawback. I can't I have no barber to go to because nobody's open yet. However, this couple, in another week, I think they're opening things up on the first stage of unlockdown, so we're gonna see how things go there. So yeah, other than that, who knows what's gonna happen in this video. But wow, my hair is curly. I've got a maybe different conditioner or something. Or maybe that I'm having so many showers lately that my body's in shock and is not used to it. So usually, yeah, you go some days, and living the van life, you can go a week without showering. So anyhow, cheers. Welcome back to Life of Chuck video channel, not van life channel, because we can't call it that anymore. Oh yeah, while we get ready to leave work here. Whoop, don't want to spill coffee. Can't spill a drip because I'd have to lick the floor. Anyhow, on another note, it was my birthday, and I had birthday soup. Like I had mentioned in previous videos, Koreans do a special birthday party or celebration, and they do it using a special seaweed soup. And it is to highlight that your mother gave birth to you and she needed a healthier, to recover. They gave her a seaweed soup for her health and for her benefit and for milk and whatever else. So that's kind of what happened. I didn't video anything, just one little clip.
I made the cheesecake.
Yeah, wow.
Yeah.
Cheesy cheese. You know, my friends, I think we're just as well off ending the video here. I don't have too much to add today. And you know what? You probably won't see a lot of videos that I'm going to upload here lately. Because you know what? I don't have a lot to add, I guess. Being not in van life anymore, things have changed. But we're still doing some hiking and exploring. And you can see that on my other video channel. The What's Up Chuck, which I'm going to rename anyway. So, you know what? I'll show you a couple clips. Crawling down. Funny. Steep, steep.
I like it. This one. This way.
It's a good thing it's not barbed wire fence. And then you can click on the link if you want. I'm going to put it above me somewhere here. Not by the building. Well, maybe by the building. Or on this side of the building. I'm not sure. Anyhow, yeah, go there, check that one out. We did a tour of Ladner Creek Trestle on the weekend. And yeah, hey, next video, we're going to come back week 5. And we're going to probably do some work on the van, or at least I'm hoping to. We'll see how that goes. What else do I have? Yeah, I don't know. That's it. Do I got somebody to do an outro for me? Hey, I think so.
Be kind. Be awesome. Be awesome. Be awesome. Be awesome. Oh, and also be really kind.
And a thank you to all for watching. I appreciate it. We'll see you next video. And until that next video, cheers.